1, 2, 3. What's up, YouTubers? This is Swede coming at you from Silver Lake, Los Angeles. And today we're doing some cool AC/DC for Halloween. Ooh, Highway to Hell. Alright, so I'm gonna show you the main lick and the main chorus, okay? We got also on the record the kind of in between A and A flat in between, so if you want to play with the record you're gonna tune down a little bit. I'm in standard tuning, we're gonna be in standard tuning. Alright, let's go. So first chord, A major. I'm gonna do it kind of so it works on acoustic guitar. On electric they just play like that, you know, just an A without the third. We don't want that. So either you play 2 on D, 2 on G, mute other strings, and A in the bass. Or we can play it like this, which is just an A without the third. It's just a good way to learn this. So that's 2, 2, 5, 5. Sounds nice and big. And then we have F sharp over D, and let's play it like this. Second finger on second fret low E, first finger on second fret G, and pinky on the third fret B. Mute A string, and that's going to take us to a G chord. We want to mute the A string when we play the G, so we're just gonna hear. Okay. A, F sharp G, F sharp G, F sharp G, F sharp, A, 2, 3. 2, 3. 2, 3. 2, 3. Last time we're gonna hit big E major. Again, maybe we don't wanna hear the third too much, so focus on the low string. That's gonna take us to the big chorus, Highway to Hell. Alright, so that's A to D. And then we have two different choices here. We can play G, back to D. So guitars on the album. One is doing this, the other one is going down to F sharp, or definitely the bass. So we're gonna do the opposite. opposite from what we did on the verse when we went F sharp to G. We're gonna go F sharp to D. And the hits are ba 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 da 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 2 3. If you want to just do downstrokes or down up down 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 2 3 2 3 Let's go over everything before we end the lesson. Verses. A major. Or just A, actually, it's no third. It's a cool chord for the acoustic. And then F sharp over D. Move that up to G. And mute the A string. For the chorus, we want to hit E major, and then chorus, same thing you used to say, A to D, and then either G, D, or G, F sharp, D. Thanks guys for tuning in. What a great song. Works great on the acoustic guitar. Have a good day. Be safe. See you guys tomorrow.